What did you get today, Ems?
The Lego plane.
You built that this morning?
And you can watch.
Oh, that's cool.
And so there's two little drinks and then there's a little TV. And the weird thing about it is there's no bathroom. And then there's little lights.
Oh, that's awesome.
For the bottom. So if they take a nap, they have little lights.
That's really cool. That's the private jet.
And so this is where you check your bags. And it actually,
awesome.
The flower actually like spins when it takes your bag. Like,
Oh, that is cool.
her hand will like,
Oh,
oh, good. Okay, so then come in and go back out. And this person didn't come with it, but the people who did come with it is this one, this person. They come with little bags.
Little travel suitcases.
And then a girl. Well, she has this little outfit.
And where are your people going?
I don't know.
Are they going to Europe? Are they going to Mexico? Are they going to Canada? Are they going to LA, Boston, New York, Chicago?
I don't know. California.
Yeah? What are they gonna do there?
I don't know.
Got some business meetings?
Yeah.
All right.
And you can put these people like.
Awesome.
I'm gonna have these things.
Okay, this is it for the vid. 2 minutes. That's our cutoff.